Let's go to Ikea. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing Ikea Summer 2024. I did this video last summer and you guys enjoyed it, so I figured while I was in the area of Ikea, let's go see what they have new for the summer. As soon as you walk in, right at the front of the showroom, they have some outdoor furniture. I really liked this set and I thought it was quite affordable. So it's $83 for the set, and I found something similar on the website and it goes for $459. I think that's for the table, all the chairs, and the cushions. So a little bit pricey for Ikea, but it is a very nice set and it looks like it's well made. So I went to the store with my sister and it's gonna be a quick one because we only have 30 minutes before we have to head home. She's going to be moving soon, and we wanted to just look at a few things for her new place.
That lingerie on the wifer rug, yeah. I might have to wife her up. For the moment, I'm just trying to teach a new thing.
I love this wall sconce. I thought it was so chic. It has a boho feel, but it's also very modern. It's a very innovative design, and I definitely plan to use it in one of my upcoming projects. This is a popular table right now. It's been talked about a lot. Don't ask me to pronounce it, but I think you could use it as a side table or even a coffee table. It has a nice, sleek, mid-century modern design, and it was pretty sturdy. I had never seen anything so shiny and ornate at Ikea. I just thought they were really cool and they stood out to me. I would probably use these in a kitchen, over a kitchen island, or possibly even in a bathroom. Ikea is definitely one of my favorite places for kitchen designs. They're extremely affordable, but their modern, sleek, and Scandinavian designs really bring a designer and elevated look to your home. When I was there, I noticed that a lot of their summer decor had this funky 60s design. It's not necessarily my style, but I can see how these can be styled into a really unique and beautiful space. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. One of the most iconic and my personal favorite items at Ikea are their Billy bookcases. I love these because they are a designer's dream because they're so versatile. You can do so many different styles and designs with these bookcases. We continued on looking at more kitchen designs. This mid-century modern kitchen is my dream. I loved this kitchen so much. I cannot wait until the day where I can do something like this in my own home. For the record wall that I wanted to do, I wanted to do like records going all the way across the top of my shelving unit on the wall, and I think these would be really good for that. I probably won't buy them today, but I definitely will keep it in mind. Only $12.99. time is up. It's been 30 minutes, but we're gonna keep going. Hey guys, so I realized that I never actually did an outro because I was trying to hurry up and get out of there within 30 minutes. So I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure you go check out the summer stuff at Ikea. They had quite a few nice things, especially some nice patio options. So let me know if you guys decide to go. I love you so much, and I will see you next weekend.